Hi dear learners of Russian, Anya here, and in today's lesson we want to look at the verb болеть. This verb could be a bit confusing for English learners. And the confusion often comes because of this misunderstanding, a small misunderstanding that there are actually two verbs болеть in Russian. So in today's lesson we want to look at the definition of that verb, how to use them, and we will learn some new vocabulary on the way. Since we're talking about sickness, then it will be vocabulary about your body parts. So be attentive and let's go. Okay, here is the first verb. It belongs to the first conjugation. It means to be ill, to suffer illness. In English, it's an adjective, to be ill. In Russian, though, it's a verb, it's an action of being ill. If it belongs to the first conjugation, you know what to do. Я болею, ты болеешь, они болеют. And the past tense, болел, болела, болели. Now the second verb has the same infinitive, but it belongs to the second conjugation. And it means to be in pain, to hurt. This verb will be only used when describing what part of the body is in pain. So literally you will say, oh, my throat hurts, my head hurts, or my arm hurts, my stomach hurts, or in pain. Therefore, the conjugation for this verb will be only for second person singular and third person plural, since we're talking about parts of the body. Он, она, оно болит, second conjugation. Они болят, if it's multiple parts of the body that hurt, ears, for example. And the past tense, you know what to do. Болел, болела, болели. I missed the neuter gender here, but you know what to do. Okay, let's have a look at the examples. Он болеет. He's in bed, he's sick. Obviously, он болеет. Он не болеет. And here he's not sick, но он говорит, что он болеет. У нее болит горло. Now, this verb means to be in pain. This is our second verb. The subject of this sentence is горло, throat. So the throat is in pain at her. That's what we literally say. Therefore, my conjugation is according to the gender of this subject. У него болят зубы. Now you see the subject of this sentence is зубы. They are in pain, they hurt. Therefore, my verb is in third person plural. У него болят зубы. У нее болит спина. Спина, the back. Third person, singular. У нее болит спина. У нее болят уши. У нее болят уши. Ears. Okay, let's look at the example for the past tense. Вчера у него болела шея. Болела шея. And шея is a neck. Okay, so we're back to verb number 1. To be ill, to suffer illness. Now, another meaning for this verb will be to be a fan, to support a team or a person in some kind of a competition. Now, in this meaning, the verb will be used with preposition za plus accusative case. So you're actually literally you're ill for your team. It's a figurative a phrase use of this verb, so it's more of an idiom to use for you. Они болеют за Испанию. Next example. Они болеют за Россию. And thankfully, I got a lot of pictures from the internet of fans. Они болеют за Англию. Okay, to sum up, we do need to remember that there are two verbs болеть in Russian. Verb number 1 belongs to the first conjugation and it describes an action of being ill. Verb number 2 will be used only with parts of the body to describe that they are in pain, or a certain part of the body is in pain or it hurts. It belongs to the second conjugation and has only two forms, болит, болят. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.